Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting hands-on project. Building a line-following robot. Step-by-step guide. This tutorial is perfect for students, educators, and anyone interested in robotics and STEM education. By the end of this video, you'll have your own robot that can follow a line autonomously. Let's get started. Introduction: Building a line following. Robot is a fascinating project that opens up a world of learning opportunities. It allows you to understand the mechanics of robot movement, the use of sensors for navigation, and basic programming concepts. Step 1. Gathering components. 2. Begin your line following robot project. You will need to gather a few essential components. These include a chassis kit with wheels and motors, infrared, IR sensors for detecting the line, a programmable microcontroller such as Arduino, a battery pack, wires, connectors, and a breadboard for prototyping the circuit. Step 2. Assembling the robot. Once you have all the components ready, it's time to assemble your robot. This involves attaching the motors to the chassis, mounting the IR sensors at the front to detect the line, connecting the wheels to the motors, and fixing the microcontroller securely on the chassis. Step 3. Wiring the components. With the physical assembly complete, the next step is to wire the components together. This includes connecting the motors to the motor driver, wiring the IR sensors to the analog pins on the microcontroller, and establishing the power connections using the battery pack. Step 4. Programming the robot. Now comes the exciting part: programming your robot. To get started, you'll need to set up the Arduino IDE on your computer. Then, you can begin writing code to control the robot's movement based on input from the IR sensors. Once the code is written, you can upload it to the microcontroller and bring your robot to life. Step 5. Testing and calibration. After the robot is assembled and programmed, it's time to put it to the test. You can create a line on the floor using black tape or a marker and observe how your robot follows it. If adjustments are needed for sensor positions or code logic, you can perform calibration to fine-tune the performance of the robot. Congratulations, you've successfully built and programmed your very own line-following robot. This project not only provides a hands-on learning experience in robotics and programming, but also opens the door to further exploration of autonomous navigation and control systems. We hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide and look forward to seeing what you create with your line-following robot.